Hi everyone, this is Mohit from HackerSync. So today we are going to explore Telnet and see how we can use Telnet in cybersecurity for pen testing. So basically, Telnet is a protocol used to access the computer over a network. It allows you to connect to the remote host and execute different commands and receive output as a simple text. Although it was replaced by SSH because SSH provide more secure encryption, but still Telnet remains useful for testing and legacy systems. So in pen testing, Telnet helps in enumeration open source and services, test for vulnerability services, conduct banner grabbing, OS and software information. So using Telnet client, we can access different protocols like HTTP, FTP, POP3, SMT, and many more. So basically, when we visit any website, our browser usually hides this information about what actually happening behind the scene. So using Telnet, we can see what our browser or graphical user interface is doing. So first of all, we scan a target website using Nmap to check it for different available protocols. Let's cite sudo nmap -ss for stealthy scan flag and 10.10.192.161 is our target host. So let's wait for 2 seconds. Okay, so here we have different protocols like FTP, SSH, AMSAP. We are going to access this protocol using our simple Telnet client. So all the communication between the Telnet client and the server is not encrypted, so making it as easy target for an attacker or pen tester. So here we are going to use Telnet to know what actually happens in the behind of the scene of our browser. That is very important and helpful for knowing. So let me open another terminal here. So to use Telnet on our system, we need to type Telnet and target IP address 10.10. So here we are going to test it on FTP server. So we will type 21 for FTP and press enter. So as you can see, here's the version of our FTP protocol and look for if any vulnerability exists on that FTP versions. This is going to be important information. So let's fire our Firefox and see if any vulnerability exists. So here we will type FTP and check if any vulnerability exists on this particular version. So here we can see an exploit for this service. Let's see. So now using this file, we can exploit our target FTP. So let's test another protocol services. So here we also have HTTP open port, which is a common port of any website. And so let's test it. Telnet 10.10.192.161 and 80. The specified target port number. Let's press enter. So now we have established a connection with the target host. So we can use different methods here like get/index.html, which is a common default homepage file of any website, and target port and header HTTP/1.1. So finally, you need to provide some value for the host like host and press shift enter. Okay, so here you can see the information about server, which is naginx/1.18.0 Ubuntu and document HTML file also. You can see here coming soon. So as you can see, we can also grab headers, banners using Telnet. So I'm using here Telnet on a testing lab. So I know there will be a file hidden in server. Let me clear this. So here once again, we'll test and try to retrieve some other information from server flag.thm. Here I'm testing this on a service on a try to hack me lab. So I know there is a flag between a root directory. So basically attacker can specify here any file name like config.php or any other important file which may have sensitive information about target database and administration credentials. Then HTTP/1.1. So host will be our target host Telnet and let's enter as. Okay, so we will get here another flag. So hackers can access sensitive information from server using Telnet like this. So I hope this information is helpful for you and keep remember to use encryption secure connection like SSH over Telnet and use Telnet with responsibility and with the permission of target system. So that's it for today. You make sure to subscribe our channel and like this video.